Here are 4 keys to making a wise purchase for your next home. Number 1, make sure to save for a large down payment. Typically around 20% is a good goal to aim for. That's a little high, maybe try to get that around 15%. 10% is the bare minimum you want to be at, but obviously the higher the better. The quicker you'll have the home paid off, and also more reasonable your payments could be as well. Secondly, don't overextend yourself. In other words, look at properties that fit within your budget. If you're renting right now, maybe something just slightly above that, but you want to leave room for utility bills, higher utility bills, maintenance for the property, and just really moving into a situation where you can enjoy living there for a good 5 or 10 years at least, if not longer. And you can always rent out the property in the future too, especially if you ever have to move, change property. If you have a good home at a reasonable price on your payments, it's also an option for you to rent that property down the road too. Third, consider the work involved. And what I mean by this is not just repairs, especially if you're looking at a brand new home, but the time that it's going to take to keep up with the yard and the maintenance, shoveling the driveway, things that you don't maybe always consider when you're going to buy that property. But how much time do you have? How often are you at work or going away with the family on weekends? There's a lot of great options with condo associations and places that will take care of the outside work for you. So make sure you exercise those options as well. And finally, really shop around. This goes along with number 3. Look for the properties that fit within your budget, that are of interest. Deals are out there, even for new properties, especially in this market. You can find some great deals and a good starting point. Get some nice fixed interest rates for your loan, and this is something that you don't want to rush into. Don't make an emotional decision. Be sure to think things over, talk it over with your spouse and your family, and make the right decision for you on your next purchase.